younger girl is in her glow up moment, so I just want to wash my hair, do a scalp treatment, wash my body, exfoliate it, do some nice skincare treatment, and apply my new range from Origins that I am so happy to test it out. So I will take you with me, guys, today. To blow out my hair, but my ends aren't so curly like I wanted, so maybe I will try with my curling iron, because it is also a source of heat. So I prepare my hair with this new heat protector, so my hair, it is safe now. But I love how smooth and shinier become my hair after I blow out. So with a source of heat and directing the heat over your hair will will seal the cuticle and give that nice shine. Maybe when I want to achieve just smooth and straight hair, it is a good option just to blow out with my round brush. But now I want to see how well goes with my curling iron, because I just want to put some curls in my hair. Like you see, my brunette tends to go on blonde, because my hairdresser told me that on bleach hair the color won't stay so long. So I put oils, I put a lot of treatments, I put keratin like you saw earlier in this video. May disturb my color, but it is okay since my hair become healthier. So and I don't have dandruff, so my hair will grow, but I want to achieve healthy hair. So I will keep you updated with my hair journey and hair transformation. But now I will go and grab the curling iron and show you how I do my curls. So now I wanted to try with my curling iron. So I want just to make sure that all my hair is covered with this thermal spray. So I will brush my hair and reapply this one, because I don't feel that it makes my hair greasier, and just one pump it is enough. So now I want just to make sure that I have a small section of hair, and I want to achieve just a nice mid curler. So just I want to curl only my my mid. No, I don't know what I'm doing wrong, guys. Maybe I don't bring the curler on my mid enough. I don't have such a fancy curling iron. It is an old Remington, but I don't like this mid end. Help, guys, how to curl my hair and to achieve this nice wave on the ends, because this is what I want to achieve, a nice end, like a blowout. So I pick my evening coffee with almond milk. I discovered recently a nice almond milk. It is imported from Italy. So here in Romania we don't have a lot of brands that sells very nice almond milk or soy milk or something like this, vegetal milk. So I'm so happy that I found this type of milk that is amazing, guys. So the color, it is white. It is seems like the original milk of cow. So I'm so happy that I found it. I found it in a local store that brings product from Italy. So in that store I found also my laundry detergent. So I am happy that I have that store here. So I wait to heat my flat iron, and maybe I succeed to do something with my curls. So this is the look, guys, that I wanted to achieve. Now I just want to put some hairspray just to maintain my curls. So I'm happy with the result, and I want just to prolong my wash days. And this is the reason that I curl my hair now, and after I will sit like this for 3 days at least, because I don't want to wash my hair every single day or at 2 days. So it is a test for me just to have nice hair, other type of curls, because I was curling with my headband a lot in the last years, but now I just want to change my hairstyle. So I guess that putting some heat protector, this Bumble & Bumble heat shield, or anything else that you have, will protect your hair. And look how nice and how soft it is, guys. So my hairdresser told me that in order to seal the cuticle, you have to put some heat. So I was afraid of putting heat on my hair, but now that I am using heat protector, I am not afraid, and I cannot achieve on this look just blow out my hair and with round brush. I have to curl it, but I like how it goes, and I will keep you updating. I updated, guys, updated in the next days, and I will tell you how much my curl lasts, because I don't want anything to ruin my curls. So I will sleep like this. I don't want to put my hair up in a bun or something like this, because it ruins the style of the hair, guys. So I hope you find interesting my video since now, but I will continue the glow up. Don't forget, we have to do the makeup.
Getting sprung, we used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun.
So this is my final look, guys. It is my second day, because last night I did my hair and I slept with my hair like this. I didn't put in a bun or something like this. I just feel put together and ready for a new day. So if you feel down, if you feel stressed, and you are going down on a depression, please give it a try to just glow out and do what your heart needs. Maybe your makeup, maybe your hair, maybe skin care or body care. Just do it. Grab a nice cup of coffee, go it outside, because it's in my country, in Romania, it is fall now, and we have a very nice weather. Some days are colder, start to be colder, but some days are really nice. Yes, so I just want to go outside, just take a walk and to enjoy the nice weather, to be full of vitamin D, because in the cold period of time, in the winter, we don't have so much days with sun. So I hope you enjoy my video. I want to switch up a little bit my type of videos and my type of editing. I hope you will enjoy it, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye, guys.
Didn't care that we weren't meant to be.